Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Portmore, St. Catherine, and we're giving you an update on the Portmore Resilience Park. This is the actual park straight ahead, and it's going to be a 26-acre development. Now the entire development is going to cost 4.4 billion, but the government has earmarked 550 million to get things started in the 2024-25 fiscal year, which is the work that's being done now. And then they're going to spend another billion next year, and they'll keep spending until the park is finished. So we're going to go through an article to give you the latest on what's going on with the park. The government will be spending an estimated 550 million in the upcoming fiscal year on the Portmore Resilience Park's construction. The intention is to create a 21-acre green recreational space for the residents of the Portmore community in St. Catherine and visitors, inclusive of 3 acres of commercial development. Details of the undertaking are contained in the 2024-25 estimates of expenditure now before the House of Representatives. It is anticipated that the project, which is being implemented by the Urban Development Corporation, will achieve 12% completion of the construction in 2024-25. Meanwhile, an estimated 1 billion is being earmarked to undertake work in 2025-26 fiscal year. So that's the latest as to what's going on with this mega development in Portmore. Now, as you know, Portmore is going to become a parish very soon. So a lot of infrastructure work is being done in Portmore in anticipation of it becoming the 15th parish. So this is one of the larger developments that is on the way. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.